Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the Improv Train.
Chugga chugga.
Oh. Welcome. So, what are we doing here?
Discussing a new program that has recently come out on the market that will change your life.
Changed mine.
Changed mine too.
No, we're not talking about coffee. We're talking about improv.
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 Improv. Did you know our two wonderful guests that we have here in the studio today?
Right over there.
Special for you. Our life is improved and we're passing it on. All right, our special guests, Dave. And Brooke.
And Brooke.
Thank you.
Thanks, I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. And an honor. So, let's learn more about this thing
Called
Improv.
You know, Brooke, people are always coming up to me and saying, blah, 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 or blah, 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 blah. And I'm saying, get those marbles out of your mouth. I can't understand what you're saying. Come on.
He's funny. He's a card.
I never used to be funny, though.
No, you
Don't
didn't.
show that clip.
You know, you know what, he used to be horrible. People would actually run away from him and crying and parties.
Yeah. Then they'd run back with the shovel
and
knock me out.
Yeah, generally that was kind of disastrous for many
Yeah.
years. But improv, like we said, have changed his life. The art is funny, is what we affectionately like to call it.
And my first question was, what is improv?
Maybe you could answer that for us, Dave and Brooke.
You want to take that, Brooke?
Sure. Improv is a lot like yourselves. You guys are very improvisational.
Well,
isn't that interesting?
Yeah, that's not what I was expecting.
No. Wow, we thought you were experts.
Do improvisers have to have last names?
That's a good question. Yeah, I don't think we.
What exactly?
I don't think we understand.
Wow. Sting.
Wow.
Share.
That's great.
I mean, it makes so much sense.
It does. Yeah. I mean, you guys are brilliant.
Yes. And not because you're fast.
Oh, really?
Shut up, Missy!
How can improv help me? I'm homeless. That's a good question.
That is a good question. Is improv just for those with homes?
Exactly. I mean, is it biased in any way?
Is it?
What? Okay, our next question from Bob. He must be their grandfather. Bob.
Bob. Bob ran. Bob ran.
He ran to get some improv training.
Oh, yeah, that deserves 2 hoops and a yay. Yay. Usually when you're trying to be funny, that's when
it falls apart.
It's not.
Shut up, I'm talking.
That'd be a good tip.
And
she was like, oh! And the people were like, whoa!
Don't cuff me! They were like,
and the audience was like, oh!
It was amazing. It was the most beautiful, the best performance.
It was. I think it's time to go on the streets and see what people have to say.
I think that's wonderful. So let's go to some of the people on the street.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right. See ya.
Improv has made me rich.
Get your head off my car. Listen, I'm not paying you to stand around.
I'm sorry, sir.
Get the lawn done, or you're no job for you.
I met my one true love doing improv. Isn't that right, honey?
And I love you so. The people ask me how,